Okay. This is a job so disgusting that even Pierre hates being under the house in the crawl space. Somebody, go in, go in, go in. I'm sorry, baby. But I only have a couple of days to get these bricks and various bits of debris out from under the house. And while I think it's disgusting, the goal is to get this space free of debris so that the guys can come in and install a vapor barrier. Fortunately, yeah, come here. Yeah. I have some very specialized tools with me today. Very specialized. Because ordinarily, while this might be nasty, today's task is particularly challenging. Here, come here. I need you. I do. He's my little emotional support dog. I just couldn't literally be down here by myself. So, thanks, buddy. Okay. I have to crawl right down there to the end of the building to get these piles of bricks out. And that's one thing. Okay, it's hard work. Well, not so much hard, just a bit of manual labor. In a really, really uncomfortable environment. But first up today, so I can get on with that, I have to take care of one specific job. Okay, buddy, you gonna help me? Because I found this, and it just revolted me so much the first time I ran away. So this little buddy, I don't know if you saw me before, but I'm wearing my mask and everything so I don't inhale any air down here. Why am I doing this? Well,